tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Epson SureColor F170 Dye-Sublimation printer. This incredible device is packed with innovative features that are going to take your printing experience to the next level. From hobbyists to small business owners, this printer is designed to deliver professional quality results with ease. So, let's dive in and see what makes this printer so special. First off, let's talk about the Dye-Sublimation printing technology that powers this printer. The SureColor F170 utilizes advanced dye-sublimation technology to transfer vibrant, full-color designs onto polyester fabrics, ceramics, and other compatible materials. This means you can create stunning custom apparel, personalized gifts, and promotional products with professional quality results. Imagine being able to print your favorite designs onto t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with ease. The possibilities are endless, and the quality is truly exceptional. Another key feature that sets this printer apart is the complete starter package that comes with it. You get a full set of 4 ink bottles, including black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, as well as a user guide and AC power cable. This means you can start printing immediately out of the box, without having to worry about purchasing additional ink or accessories. The starter package is perfect for those who are new to sublimation printing, as it provides everything you need to get started. Plus, the external ink tank system makes it easy to monitor your ink levels, so you can plan your printing projects with confidence. Now, let's talk about the compact desktop design of the SureColor F170. This space-saving white printer is designed to fit comfortably on desks and workspaces, making it ideal for home offices, small businesses, and craft enthusiasts. The compact design means you can enjoy professional sublimation printing capabilities without sacrificing valuable space. Whether you're working on a small project or running a full-scale business, this printer is the perfect addition to your workflow. Plus, the sleek and modern design looks great in any setting, adding a touch of professionalism to your workspace. The PrecisionCore printhead is another feature that really stands out on this printer. With PrecisionCore technology, you can expect exceptional print quality with sharp details and smooth color gradations. This is perfect for creating custom apparel, personalized gifts, and promotional products that require high-quality printing. The PrecisionCore printhead is designed to deliver precise and consistent results, time after time, so you can trust that your prints will look amazing every time. Whether you're printing on fabric, ceramics, or other materials, the SureColor F170 is capable of producing stunning results that will impress even the most discerning clients. Last but not least, the user-friendly operation of this printer is definitely worth mentioning. The intuitive control panel with LCD display and easy-to-navigate buttons makes it simple to operate and maintain the printer. You can easily monitor your ink levels, adjust print settings, and perform routine maintenance tasks without needing to consult the user manual. The external ink tank system also provides convenient monitoring of ink levels, so you can plan your printing projects with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, the SureColor F170 is designed to be easy to use, so you can focus on creating amazing prints rather than struggling with complicated settings. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor F170 Dye-Sublimation printer is an incredible device that is capable of delivering professional quality results with ease. With its advanced dye-sublimation technology, complete starter package, compact desktop design, PrecisionCore printhead, and user-friendly operation, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. Whether you're a hobbyist, small business owner, or craft enthusiast, this printer is sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Epson SureColor F170 Dye-Sublimation printer today and start creating amazing prints that will inspire and delight. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.